Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can check the Windows security in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, whether it's properly working or not. And to do that, let's just follow the few simple steps and processes that I'm going to show you. So here in the taskbar, you will see this up arrow key, so just please click on that and you will see here the shield icon. So this is the Windows security. So once you click on that, you will see here the Windows security window, and it says here that security at a glance, see what's happening with the security and health of your device and take any actions needed. So if you don't see any green check marks in this certain or in this options here, the virus and threat protection, the account protection, the firewall and network protection, the app and browser control, the device security. If you don't see any green check marks, then you have to take the actions needed in each of the options that you don't see green check marks with. Okay, so let's see the virus and threat protection. It says here that no action needed. That's a very good indication that there are no current threats in our device. So once you click on the virus and threat protection for your device against threats, you will see here the options as current threats, virus and threat protection settings, the virus and threat protection updates, and the ransomware protection. So just like with the options before, you will also see green check marks if there are no actions needed to be done in this section. So you will see here no current threats. You will see the last scan, the threats found. There are no threats found. The time that the scan has lasted and how many files that has been scanned. Okay, and if you want to make a quick scan, then you can do that by clicking this quick scan option here, and you can also see here the scan options, the allowed threats, and the protection history that you have done in the device. You can see here the recent actions that you have made, and in the virus and threat protections, you can also manage its settings. You can turn on or off the real-time protection, the cloud-delivered protection, and the automatic sample submission, as well as the tamper protection. All the options that you see here. So just click on the manage settings to change that. And for the virus and threat protection updates, make sure that you're updated. The security intelligence is updated, and you will see here the last update of the protection updates, and you can click also here for the protection updates. And for the ransomware protection, you can also manage its options by just clicking this button here, and you can see that there are no actions needed. So let's go back with the let's go with the account protection. You can also see here that there are no actions needed, and that's a very good thing. So in here under account protection, you will see the Microsoft account. If you have logged in your account here, you can view your account info and manage sync settings. You can also Windows Hello is set up for faster and more secure sign-in. And for the dynamic lock, you can also check, or you can also set up the dynamic lock, and you can also see if it's available in your device. And for the next one, it's the firewall and network protection. You will see here the domain, the private, and the public network. So make sure that these networks are turned on and the firewalls are active. Okay, and the next thing is the app and browser control. You will see here the smart app control, reputation. So what's important in this section is that you see the green check marks or the indicators that the device that you have is protected. So if you don't see this green icons here or green check marks, all you have to do is just to take the actions that needed to be done. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.